inside your clutch. It's chilling to the touch. Never liked it much, and now you won't let go.